So basically, if a neural network can be trained, it can also be poisoned. That said, it can be unpoisoned. But that's what this paper is about. This basically says that if you can hack one agent in a swarm of agents, you get to all the agents exponentially fast. The way they get jailbroken is with a specific image that's been arrived at through iterative testing. This is known as a generative adversarial network. And an image like this doesn't really break our brain. For a generative LLM, it does. I should note that this is for a particular generative LLM, so it's not like a piece of art that just works on LLMs. It's just because of how certain pixels are crafted. We just found the secret unlock code to cause a jailbreak. Rather than a general principle about why these things work, it's really more that we can find it through iteration, through brute force, through trying every possible slight change to an image that we could do to eventually cause the model to act weird. So every model kind of has different ones, right? Claude will not respond to the same breaking prompts or breaking images that ChatGPT will. Anyway, they're very hackable, which is why you really have to threat model your agents pretty well. It talks about these we're mainly encountering scalable oversight here in a large distributed system of agents who are empowered to take arbitrary actions on behalf of a group. This is actually a rare circumstance because basically we haven't solved scalable oversight yet. Generally, people are not deploying swarms of AI to do the job without human oversight. Hope that answers your questions. A lot of people will then ask, can we use this to somehow stop the generative AI revolution by poisoning all the models? And the answer is no. The models are not doing online learning. Data scientists will do a data cleaning step before they try to train models on any inputs from users. If the model on the other side that they get acts weird according to their benchmarks, which are really comprehensive, they won't use that model in the next version. They'll do a different model. They'll randomly filter out portions of the training set until they don't get that result to account for anything that slips through the data filtering. Like, the thing is, it's some people's jobs to make it work no matter what, and then some people's jobs to fix it if it breaks. And they get paid to do that all day, every day, and there's a lot of them. So they have put in some pretty decent defenses because they've been dealing with this for a while. Also, this part of the industry is pretty hot right now in terms of stuff like corporate espionage. So there's actually quite a lot of defenses, and people who have been working on this for like tens of years think about it all the time. So this is really to destroy a series of agents which are copies of ChatGPT we're using to do a specific thing, which is basically an employee org chart for humans.